Hello all. From today onwards, every day I am coming up with a newspaper. The very important news articles we will be discussing. The number one today, the very important news is Central Bureau of Investigation and Enforcement Directorates can have 5-year term. So, earlier it was been fixed for CBI 2 years. Now the government through an ordinance made that it can be increased up to 5 years. Means after retirement also they can become for 3 years like CBI director as well as enforcement directorate. So this will protect the independence of CBI as well as ED, but at the same time it will also work for the interest of the government of the day. This is a very important news today. And the second news is with respect to the Naxalism, the Naxal effect which happened in MMC, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh confluence. Nearly 26 Maoists were been died or been killed by the police CRPF in the encounter, where you can write in the internal security issue. Not only that, yesterday, on Saturday there was a passing out parade was been there. Very, very beautiful passing out parade in National Police Academy. That is a very good news with all the COVID restrictions. And another news is, and the article is about, yes, divide between haves and have-nots remains according to the Chief Justice of India. He told a beautiful sentence, there could be no real freedom without economic freedom. So, economic freedom is very important. So, when economic freedom is there, we can talk about the real freedom. And Gaddafi's son is going to contest for Libya's presidential candidate. And as usual, ICC World Cup, the winner is Australia. This is a major news. So, daily we will be coming up with this. Stay tuned. All the best. Jai Hind.